On daily chart I have marked fair value gap or BZ or SIBI and its CE, that is consequent encroachment, basically the middle price of the BZ or SIBI. And now we will investigate whether price really refer to those fair value gaps and work like a real support and resistance on lower time frame. So let's begin our investigation. Remember, it also works as same as it works on 1 hour time frame. Pay attention when we shift to 1 hour time frame. Now on this time frame that is hourly, we will start investigating. As you can see in this chart, price started acting like a resistance to that fair value gap lower end. Also remember, you have to mark 25% of the fair value gap. And also extend it throughout the chart. Once price started acting like a resistance, see how price worked lower. So you can anticipate as long as price is below that fair value gap, price will look for a lower prices. That is liquidity or an imbalances to reprice or to rebalance. Now see in this chart example. I have told you to extend it throughout chart. Now watch closely. As long as price was below that SIBI. You may have forgot that SIBI, but price didn't. And when price started gravitating towards that SIBI and price didn't respect that SIBI and started trading above that SIBI, it immediately becomes inversion fair value gap, and then you have to check or wait whether price respect that SIBI and works like a support. In this example you can clearly see how it supported the price. Just observe the price in that chart, how beautifully it worked like a real support and resistance. Folks, see higher time frame fair value gaps or BZ or SIBI, always extend those unless price leaves and goes away from it. If price is near them, then it will refer them often. Especially when price is in consolidation. As you can see in this chart how they both acted like a real support and resistance on lower time frame. It will help you to know order flow of the price, and also you'll know what are you looking for. Here in this chart you can also see how higher time frame fair value gap act like support and resistance. This is how we have to backtest what Ict says to investigate when he explains in his videos while teaching. If you do these things you'll surely learn it faster, and also your eyes will be trained to see them and trust them. After that it will store into your subconscious mind. If you find this video helpful, then do smash the like button and subscribe us. It motivates us to make videos. Thanks for watching, folks.